This well-maintained Rambler stands out with 3 same-floor bedrooms and excellent garage space, offering both convenience and functionality. You'll appreciate the 1-stall attached insulated garage for everyday use, plus an oversized, insulated 2-stall detached garage, perfect for extra storage, a workshop, or hobby space. Inside, the main level offers 3 comfortable bedrooms and a full bath, with a 4th bedroom and 3/4 bath in the lower level, ideal for guests or additional living arrangements. Newer flooring runs throughout much of the main level, and the kitchen features raised panel oak cabinets and included appliances. The spacious lower level family room offers plenty of space to spread out, plus an additional bonus space downstairs provides flexibility for a home office, workout area, or craft room. Exterior features include a private well for lawn care and vehicle washing.